Hey YouTube, it's your girl Alicia V, and today we're going to do a DIY Halloween costumes for Plus Size Baddies last minute edition because today is Monday before Halloween. I'm trying to get the video out today. That way you can order all this stuff from Amazon if you need a last minute costume. Now I like to kind of piece my costumes together. I've done this like 3 years in a row. So if you want to see some of my Halloween costumes from the last 2 or 3 years that I put together, you can go look on my TikTok under the playlist Halloween, where I have, it's probably at least like 25 or 30 costumes on there. Also on my Pinterest, they're on there as well. This is for people who don't want to get the full like custom made, maybe like Fashion Nova type of costume, because you know, you get those and like sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So if you just want to kind of use stuff that you might be able to use again, or you just waited to the last minute, girl, and you have to buy some on Amazon, this is for you. Obviously for Plus Size Baddies, girl, because you know what's going on. So for the first costume idea, we're going to do a scarecrow. Not just any scarecrow, but a baddie scarecrow with real clothes on that you can wear these clothes again. I will start with this particular skirt. Now I did give you a couple options of skirts. I like this one because I would actually wear this skirt in real life, and it's already giving fall. You can wear it on Thanksgiving. You can wear it during the fall season, and it's just perfect colors. I also put 2 options of a denim top. Now, if you're a big titty girl like myself, you might not want to do the strapless. So I gave you another option that has some type of straps. If you don't want to do like with your arms out, you can get like a button down denim shirt and tie it up in the front. You can get like a crop top denim shirt. There's so many denim shirts you can do. These are just the ones that I would do if it was me. If you want to be a little like, a little sexy, that's what I would do. But of course, wear what you're comfortable with. I picked these brown boots because they didn't have that much of a heel on them. And I know, even my friends would get on me about wearing heels, but they just don't get it. Like, I am over 200 pounds. I can't be walking on no heels all night. Like, especially at a party where we're not gonna sit down. Like, this is a party, we're finna stand up the whole time. I gotta stand in line, I gotta get in there, I gotta walk around the party. Like, girl, no. So I chose these boots because they have a heel, but not a heel that's gonna kill you. It's like a heel that you can actually make it through the party in. So I would do these boots. They are also wide calf friendly. I make sure all the boots I tag are wide calf friendly because we know, if you know, you know, girl. Now the makeup is a must. Now if you're not a makeup girl, this makeup is not that hard. It shouldn't be that difficult for you to do, but at least do the lines on your mouth. Like, at least do that, and maybe the nose. But this makeup shouldn't be hard to pull off. And we have the scarecrow accessories to add on top of it. I think it's a hit, and it's all on Amazon. So you should get it. You should get everything. So for costume number 2, I really want to do Fiona from Shrek, but then I said, you know, stereotyping, right? We already big. We already got this going on. Like, we don't need to be Shrek. So I chose the fairy godmother from Shrek 2. If you ever seen Shrek 2, that's like the best Shrek. And the one in particular where she had on the red sparkly dress and the purple wig. Now, that wig she wore, girl, I looked at them wigs on Amazon. No ma'am, no ma'am, you can't do it. You just can't do it. So I would do me a little red bob, a little lilac bob. Now that is gonna take it to the next level. I found 3 dresses, 1 sparkle, well actually 2 sparkle and 1 just like more like casual like dress that if you didn't want to do the full sequence, this is still a really good style of dress. You can wear a full bra, you can wear, it's like a bubble skirt so it won't be tight, you'll be comfortable. Along with the red glasses. Now they did have other styles of glasses, but these were the closest to like what she had on. They did have like a cat eye pair too, but that was like $30, and like I wouldn't buy that. But if you want to buy that, I think I still added it on my storefront, as well as the fairy wings and the one. You have to have the accessories. Now I didn't include shoes on this one because now, if you want to do a heel, obviously do like a clear heel. If you don't want to do a heel, then maybe you can do maybe like a cute like ballerina flat or something. But I didn't include shoes because I feel like, you know, you can kind of wear whatever shoes you want to wear. That's what you're comfortable with. But the rest of the outfit, 10 out of 10. I think it's going to be so cute. And nobody else is going to be the fairy godmother from Shrek 2. Like, nobody else is going to do that. So you'll be unique, you'll be fly, you'll be a plus size baddie like me. Exactly. So for my last costume idea, I had to do Wicked. Like, I really wanted to do Elphaba, but I was like, no, but I don't want to paint myself green, and I don't think other people want to paint themselves green this last minute. So I did Glinda, of course, for my favorite girl, Ariani. So we have 2 dresses that I chose. They both go up to like a size 36. So you should be able to get this dress in your size. They aren't the cheapest dresses, but they actually look like something. And you have to get a Glenda-like wand. You need the Glenda wand, specifically this one that I'm showing you. And I chose like a clear kitten heel just because like I don't know what other kind of shoes you could wear for Glenda and not have like a little heel. Maybe you could do a boot maybe, but I feel like this is not the vibe. So this one is more so if you're going to like a party where you can sit down. If you're going to like a house party or something, this one would be better for you because you kind of have to wear a heel with this one, but you'll be sitting down, so it's okay. If you're going to like a party, like a dance party, maybe not the heel. Also a tiara, you need that. And the blonde wig, I feel like it definitely would take it there. Like if you wear the blonde wig, you're gonna be obviously Glenda. If you don't wear the blonde wig, then maybe not. I didn't include any blonde wigs on here because they're all just like kind of high, and like blonde wigs just be looking terrible sometimes. So I'm gonna leave that up to you. I'm gonna let you go look up some reviews for you a blonde wig if you want to do the blonde. But the base of it, fire. And everything is 2-day shipping, so you'll have it before Friday, which is Halloween. Yeah. I love it. So those are my 3 last minute Halloween costumes. If you needed a costume before Friday, all on Amazon for Plus Size Baddies. Like, I just don't want to see the girls out here not wearing a costume. Like, I guess you could go to Spirit Halloween, but y'all know they don't really be having that much plus sizes like that. And it only be on like the big frumpy costumes that nobody wants. They never had the baddie costumes in plus size in store. And at this point, it's kind of too late to order from like a Fashion Nova or something. Unless you're gonna do 2-day shipping. Honestly, Fashion Nova, count your days, because my package is supposed to come Thursday and it just got here. It's supposed to get here today, Monday. It's supposed to come on Thursday. I paid $20 for shipping, 2-day shipping, and I didn't get it. So I'm need my $20 back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go look on my TikTok and my playlist that says Halloween to see all the other ideas I have. Normally I do like 10 of these a year. I just waited too long this year. But if you go back, you'll see at least like 20 costumes that you can choose from that you can still, they're all linked. All of them are still linked on Amazon. Let me know in the comments what you're gonna be for Halloween this year. If you plan on going to a party or like a house party, let me know what your plans, girls. I wanna know what y'all wearing. So maybe you can give me some ideas for my series I do next year. And I'll see y'all in the next one.